tips for design of RCC beam. So first step I will show you how to find size of beam, means depth of beam and also breadth of beam. So formula to find depth of beam: minimum depth is equal D. Depth of beam is equal L divided by 16. L is a length of beam. This is the long section for beam which length is 5 meter. So I will find depth of beam for 5 meter length RCC beam. So you can use formula L divided by 16. So L is a length of beam. So I can write here 5 meter length of beam divided by 16. So we can get with this formula depth of beam. Depth of beam. So is equal, it will give us 0.31 meter. So say 30 centimeter. Okay, 31 centimeter, but say 30 centimeter. So we can get the depth of beam with this formula, which become 30 centimeter. Right? Now, formula to find breadth of beam. So B is equal D divided by 1.5. So already D is a 30 centimeter. This one. Okay. 30 divided by 1.5. It will come 20 centimeter. So breadth should be here for 5 meter length of beam. We need breadth of beam 20 centimeter. So with this formula we can find size of beam, right? If the length is 5 meter. If the length is more, so you can just use this formula, and this we can get from IS code. Okay, Indian Standard Code, right? So, and second tip, you can learn amount of steel for different structure. So maximum percentage of steel as per IS code. So for beam, 4% of X section mean cross section area. For slab, 4% of cross sectional area. And for column, 6% of X section cross section area. So we have to find amount of steel for this beam. So already area of steel should be area of column. Area of column, which is 30 multiply 20. So it will come 600 centimeter square. This is area of this beam, right? So we can find out area of steel for this beam, and area of the beam is here 600 centimeter square. So find area amount of steel for this beam, 0.04, because it's 4%, right? Multiply of cross sectional area. Cross sectional area of this beam is 600 centimeter square. So we need amount of steel here. When you multiply 0.04 multiply 600, so it will give us 24 centimeter square. So this is the amount of steel for this beam with IS code, Indian Standard Code. So in third tips you can learn number of stirrups for this beam. So how we can find number of stirrups? This is already length of beam, so we need to find number of stirrups. How much numbers of stirrups are required? So this is formula length of member. So length of member is already here 5 meter, right? So 5 meter subtract 2 covers. So this is concrete cover. So here we have concrete cover, right? here concrete cover and here. So suppose we have to take concrete cover 25 mm, suppose, so 2 multiply 25, right? So it will come 50, and divide by spacing, suppose I say I need spacing between two stirrup 30 centimeter, right? So right here 30 centimeter, so 30 centimeter in foot it will come, in meter it will come 0.3 plus 1. Okay, so you can find number of stirrups with this formula. Length of member, subtract 2 multiply cover, one side cover concrete cover, another side concrete cover, and divide by spacing plus 1. So these are the useful tips for design of RCC beam. So if you have any question about this video, so just comments, I will try to reply your answer. But don't forget